So today we're going to go make a quick video on picking out the right pad sets for a TRIMAX machine. We're going to use a 608 and go through which for fixed pads versus adjustable pads. So the 608 has the 4 pockets for your pads. We want to do fixed pads today. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go over and measure your pipe. If you're off the end, you can measure it just across the face, sweeping to find the highest point. If you're in a run of a pipe, you can use a pie tape. This particular pipe is 6-inch pipe, which is 6 5/8 OD, or 168.3 millimeter. The next step would be to go in your manual. The manual actually covers 604 through 612 TRIMAXes. So you want to find the page where you have your 608, that's the machine that we're using today. We'll find our pipe size, which is 6.625 or 168.3 millimeter. There's a pad set number you can order, and that would include your adjustable block and the right pad for that size and the fixed block and pad. Once we have those numbers, we can come to the pad set, and our part numbers are written right on the side. So you notice all 4 of these are the same that will go into the pockets, and then we'll find our pad size, and the smaller ones are the adjustable pads and the taller ones are the fixed pads, and the part numbers are right here. So our fixed pads are going to be 08 1508. The adjustable ones will be 08 1461. So we'll go ahead and put those in there. Typically, we have the fixed set on the top, which we call the top where the gear housing is. It doesn't have to be there. It can be anywhere, but that's usually where it gets placed. I'm going to turn this around to the back on this pad so you can see. The fixed pad, what we want to make sure is the back of this block is bottomed out in the pocket. And then once you place your pad on, that's what makes it be the fixed pad, because it's bottomed out. And put our adjustable block in. So the adjustable block is the 08 1461. Grab the machine, setting on the pipe, finding your punch mark. If there's radial clearance issues, you can place the gear housing in different locations. If there's not, the easiest and fastest way to set up is to put the 2 fixed pads straddled on the top. Get on your punch mark, go to your adjustable pad on one side, grab a hand, kind of shake it back and forth, it'll wiggle it in a square. And check square on the opposite side. Double check each side in case you need to split the difference on your squaring. That side square, go ahead and tighten that up. Now these are fixed pads, so once you tighten that side, there's no adjusting it. It's set due to the OD of the pipe. So if your pipe is a little undersized or oversized, it could be not perfectly in the center. Double check our square on our other side. Go ahead and tighten up that pad. So the important part with this is to just tighten the bottom two pads, because the tops are bottomed out into that pocket, which makes them fixed. So we don't want to adjust these at all, or it would make you not in center. Go ahead and we'll double check to see how close we are to center with the fixed pads. Make sure that we're right in the center. And opposite side, you always want to check where you're right where the pad location is. So if you have a pipe that's oversized or undersized, you might want to think about having fully adjustable pads to get you right on center, especially if you're doing a J-prep.